Magwan my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style stew peas with oxtail. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make my Jamaican style stew peas with oxtail. So this is the oxtail I'm going to use, and this is 3 pounds of oxtail. I just need to wash it. So I'm going to use 2 cups of red peas. Here so, I have 1 coconut. I have 2 stalks of scallions chopped up. I have 2 small carrot cut up. I'm going to use my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning, where you could get below this video. I'm going to use some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika, some black pepper. Here, I have a cup of all-purpose flour to make my spinach dumpling. Here, so I have 1 small onion cut up. I'm going to use some sweet pepper. This is 3 cubes of garlic. I'm going to use some pimento, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Here, I'm going to add a pinch of salt to the flour when I'm making the dough for the spinach dumplings. I have 2 pieces of fresh thyme. Here, I'm going to use some green seasoning also. Now I'm going to wash the oxtail with some salt and a lime. Just going to rinse it one more time. Okay, now I'm going to season the oxtail. 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, half tablespoon black pepper, 3 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, 2 tablespoon green seasoning. Now I'm going to massage the seasoning in the oxtail. Now I'm going to make it marinate for 2 hours before I cook it. Now I'm going to start the cooking. To my pot, 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add the oxtail, all of it. We're going to leave it open for 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to stir it up. So this is the bowl I season the oxtail in. So I just rinse it out with some hot water. Going to add it to it. Stir. Now I'm going to allow it to cook for 1 hour before me add the peas to it. So it's 1 hour since it's cooking. Now I'm going to wash the peas and add the peas to it. So I'm cooking the peas together with the oxtail. So now I'm going to add the peas. Going to add some more water. Going to add the pimento, the garlic. Now I'm going to make the peas cook for 30 minutes before I add the coconut milk. Now I'm going to form the dough for the spinach dumplings. Going to add the salt. This is just a pinch of salt. Going to mix the salt and the flour together. Alright, now I'm going to add the water liquor by liquor, and this is room temperature water, okay? Just a little bit more. So I'm just going to leave it, make it rest, and go and blend the coconut now. Okay, now I'm going to break the coconut, and I like to turn it this way when I'm breaking it. Perfect. So when I dig out the coconut, I like to use a small knife. See? Nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to cut it so that the blender could blend it easily. Now I'm going to blend it to my blender. 2 cups of water. And all of the coconut. Okay, that is it. Now I'm going to strain the coconut milk. Got that rich and nice. Squeeze out all the milk. So this is all the coconut milk I get. Just like that. With a stir. The peas them already cooked. You can see they already cooked. I'm going to add the thyme, the pepper, carrots, sweet pepper, onions, scallions, with a stir. The oxtail also cooked. See, the oxtail cooked. Now I'm going to cover it and go and roll the spinach dumplings. Just pop off a little piece. Just roll them like this. That's it. Now I'm going to taste it if it need no more sodium. It good like that, so no more sodium to it. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 15 more minutes. Alright my people, this is it. Here you have it. Oxtail stew peas. Oxtail cooked to perfection also. Just wanna see. See? Oxtail cooked to perfection. Fully cooked. Falling off the bones.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.